Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with Tam and Tram. Today we're excited to share with you a recipe for one of our favorite desserts, mango sticky rice with ube flavor. And the best part, it is incredibly easy to make at home. That's right. Mango sticky rice is a beloved iconic Thai dessert that combines the sweetness of ripe mangoes alongside a coconut-infused, creamy, and slightly salty rice, making it a must-try for food lovers all around the world. And now, let us show you how to make it. First, we're going to prepare our rice.
You can grab a handful of rice and rub it together with your hands like this to help remove the starch. You may have to wash and rinse it about 5 or 6 times until the water is as clear as possible and not as cloudy. And after we clean our rice, it is ideal to soak it for at least 3 to 4 hours or even overnight for the best results. And the longer it soaks, the faster we can steam the rice.
So this is what our rice looks like after we have soaked it overnight. The starch has been completely removed and it'll be perfect for steaming. And it will also help the rice absorb the coconut milk later on.
Next, after the rice has been washed and soaked, we'll remove it from the water and place it in a steamer. We're using a bamboo basket with a cheesecloth. So we'll pour out our rice into the cheesecloth and wrap it up. And put a cover on it to seal it off and steam it for about 20 minutes or until the rice is fully cooked, nice, fluffy, and tender.
And while the rice is cooking, let's prepare the coconut milk mixture that is sweet and slightly salty.
So, to a saucepan, combine 1½ cup of coconut cream, 1/4 cup of sugar, and a dash of salt. Keeping it on low heat, gently whisk constantly until the sugar dissolves and then turn off the heat and set this aside and keep warm. Now that our rice is cooked, transfer it to a bowl and with a spoon, gently fluff it. And we'll pour half of the coconut milk mixture and 1 teaspoon of ube extract in the rice and gently mix everything well together. And cover it back up and allow all the coconut mixture to absorb back into the grains of the sticky rice for about 20 minutes. And in the meantime, let's create our creamy coconut sauce to pour over the rice later. So with the other half of the coconut milk mixture, add cornstarch slurry, which will consist of 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 2 teaspoons of coconut milk. Give this a little stir to break up any clumps and pour it back into the mixture. Heat this on the stove and mix well and let it cook until the sauce has thickened up. Look at how nice and thick the sauce looks. You'll know it's ready once it coats on the back of the spoon. Once done, pour it out and set it aside for now.
Next, let's prepare our fresh mangoes.
Make sure our mangoes are ripe so they can be soft, sweet, and delicious. We'll first peel off the skin and then draw your knife through the mango closest to the stone. And then slice it diagonally into thin strips.
Now that our rice is flavored and our mangoes are cut, it's time to assemble our plate.
See how the rice has absorbed all the sauce? It's nice and sticky and still a little warm. So down goes the glutinous coconut rice onto the banana leaf. Then carefully arrange the mango slices. Then add the coconut sauce over the rice and top it off with toasted sesame seeds for that extra flavor and texture. And friends, here it is, the moment you have all been waiting for. Our mango sticky rice is finally assembled and it's looking absolutely scrumptious. The combination of the creamy coconut rice, sweet mangoes, and sesame seeds is just perfect. And if you do make this recipe at home, we'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And friends, if you enjoyed our video today, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.